Whoa, welcome. Give me a focus, a good focus. There we go. Welcome back, people. Welcome back to another stream. Hope you're doing absolutely fine. And yeah, welcome back. So today we'll be continuing with the same box which we was doing, which is a node. And so far we got the access of user Mark. Then we got the access of user Tom, where we exploited the MongoDB functionality of scheduler. From there, we got the access of Tom, and we're gonna proceed further, and I'll explain a bit what's going on here so we can get on the same page with the Tom at least. Because the first part was pretty easy, where we got the username and we went into the like getting the zip file. Then we got the user access, and which was a mark. Obviously we did what the hell we did. Let me recollect my thoughts. Okay, first we got the username and password from the API endpoint. Next we got the login of the web page, and from there we found that this has a zip file. After dumping that, because it was a backup, so we wasn't able to understand like what sort of file it is actually containing, because that was a base64. So we converted that into the like simpler file, which is a like normal file, but from after using the file we found that it is a zip file. Then we extracted one more time into the .zip. From there we didn't have the password of the zip file, because there was some files that was encrypted, or we say locked. So we did zip to John, which gave us the hash of the file, and on that we performed the John brute force, and we got the password for the zip file. On there we found another password for the user Mark, which was a connection of MongoDB, and it was a whole string using which we can connect with the MongoDB. From there we was able to understand that, or at least it was a worth try to what we have found, the password we have found so far. We can try to log in using that, and we was able to do that. And from there when we got the user access of Mark, we wasn't able to get the access of user.txt file, which was actually a root file. But after checking we found I did took the help of the write-up. From there I found that there are two processes which are triggered by the Tom, and from there was a one of the script that the Tom was triggering, and that was a schedule. And from there I got to know that there is some service or some function called the schedule in the Mongo, and we can use that to schedule a task. And when we did using that, we exploited towards the RCE. From using that we got the RC of the user Tom, and now we are with user Tom. So from here we will be making the progress further, how we can get to the root to escalate the privilege. So this was the recap, and I hope you guys enjoyed the last stream that we did yesterday, and we'll be doing more by the time. So let's start with the box and try to solve it today, or like finish it today. Okay, let's get started. So this is the user Tom access that we got earlier, and today I also did some work around with the with the MongoDB list. Give me a sec. I got an email. Let me just dealt with that. and that should solve it. Back here, and we'll put it back here. And if we'll see, here's some things that we did, or I did with the MongoDB, and fetched stuff that we can potentially exploit. And this is a pretty damn good list of stuff that we can use. There are some minor stuff which we can ignore, but for this I also took some help from the GPT, so it can formalize the stuff that we are putting on the notes. So let's get back to the machine from here. And it seems I have messed up with the stuff here over the MongoDB. And it seems, yes. How should I fix it? Is it because of the space, or for some another reason? It's fine till here. It seems because of this. Okay, it is because of this. So we're gonna put no hyphen over hyphen here. Okay, now it's patched. Good. So if I'll go to the node and okay, we got a pretty damn big list over here, which we don't want. So we gonna do here is we're gonna call it don't tell me it's on read mode. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we will just call the common commands here, so the nodes get a bit smoother using this. There we go. And we have what we was looking for, and so far we was able to compromise the user Tom, and from here we got the stuff related to the user Tom. Now we need to progress further towards the root. Okay, so the first things first, as we checked yesterday, that we are going to perform some sort of binary exploitation, which is the buffer overflow. So let's try to put the lint piece over here so we can identify that what damn it, I don't know what's happening, but we're gonna try to identify what other services, what other techniques are there which we can use to exploit it. So let's do it. So we're gonna do the wget. It's 10.10.16.3 slash linpiece .sh, and we're gonna do python 3-m http .server over the port 80. Now if we'll run this, we should be able to pull this from here and just to be on safe side, I believe I have entered the right file name. So let's trigger it here and move it. Let's re-upload the lint piece because I wasn't able to find it here because of the yesterday reset, I believe. But now we have it. Re-upload the lint piece and try to gather info related to this user, Tom. Okay. So now that it's over the machine, let's give a capture here so we can have a note. If it didn't work, then we can like remove it afterwards. So so far we have it, so let's cancel it. We gonna, I think it was my back. Okay, I think we didn't pull these stuff from here. Okay, no problem. Let's go with the dot. Oh, we need to provide the permissions also. chmod plus x lin piece double and dot slash lin piece, and we're gonna put it over the tom dot, not dot, but tom piece, and press enter, and let's see if it do any good for us. And yeah, I totally forgot, like, if you're new here, guys, consider subscribing and like the stream, which I wait patiently for. And there seems to be pretty damn good errors. Writing error, cat grep right broken, but it seems we got the output into the file, so we can try read that. Sh paste. Okay, got some errors, but it seems that it has given us the output. And if we will do ls, yep, there is a tom piece. In file called tom piece. Let's give it a read. Okay, perform the clear. Cat tom piece, enter. Seems to be pretty much same stuff. Let's go all the way up and what do we have here? SMB share bin ping available. Sudo version is same. Time right now it's telling the mount we have a boot mount. The disks. Okay, we have the Dirty Cow 2 pawn kit. We can try any of these also. Kobo root. Set UID screen version. Okay, we can try this too. Let's probably, like, this has less probability to like help us with the privilege escalation, but let's give a shot and see what this has to say. And we don't have anything here. Oh, WRL, maybe this. GNU screening stuff. Okay, what does it do? IDOS preload override to get root. Okay, hack the planet. First we create our shell and library. There we go. We created a, sorry, we cat the file. Then we are progressing with, is this C? Include studio.h. Seems to be C. Main void and GCC root, do this, echo this cd unmask. Then we will trigger this command. Then we will trigger this. Screen itself is set UID, so temp/root shell. Yosh. We can try this, but no, we are not gonna do it. Let's see what else we have. There is a keyring, less probability, but we can try this too. Exploit takes about 30 minutes to run, so exploit is not reliable. Understandable. And it says required ability to plug in a malicious USB device and execute a malicious binary as a non-privileged user. And it's a C-based exploit. C, this is also C. This one is a C-based exploit. Stack clash. Okay, let's proceed further. Let's see what else do we have here. We have some processes over here that are triggered by the root. There is a cron, which we already know that it's running some sort of cron job here. There's a polkit ID. I don't think there we can trigger like exploit it using the polkit, so we don't need to check that. This is triggered by the Tom. Something triggered by the Mongo. This is our shell. All these are the cron jobs. System time. We're not able to find anything useful that can... I'm audible, right? Seems like. That can help in any manner. We might be able to bypass or trigger something that can help us. Localhost is considering the node. There is something sudo. What is this? My user. We will check this too. But we don't have the password to run the sudo -l. For that we need a password, and without that it's totally useless. Let's see what else we can do here. Root Tom Mark. Useful softwares. wget Python server, ping, Perl, netcat, GCC, LXC. It says analyzing Mongo file. I'm not sure if this will be containing anything interesting though. But we can give a check. Ouch, my back. What do you have here? Good. We have docket. Most probably we won't be able to read that. Uncommon password files from the Splunk. We won't be able to read them too. That's my guess, is because that is for the root, so root has the permissions or the privilege to read some certain files, because those are not available for the local users. And files with interesting permissions. Okay, let's see these. Root 10k. Anything that ping in the eye. File with ACL. Access control less. There isn't any. Check misconfigurations. Payload. There's this node.sh, but that's also for the root. Readable files. What's up? I'm doing good, brother. What about you? How you doing, CJ? I hope you guys are doing good. Interesting writable files owned by me or writable by everyone. I'm just getting frustrated over this, cause this is gonna be a binary exploitation which I am not familiar with, and I have less, or you say 0.6% of experience with the binary exploitation. So because of that, I won't be able to fully solve this box. So this box is gonna be in between because of this. And this will I will follow up on this once I will understand how the binary exploitation part is working and how we actually work on them. So because of that, it's going to stay. But before I do that, I'm trying to find how we can identify the file that we have the permission to trigger and where the hell is that file. Cause in this output, I can see some stuff, but where is the file that I am actually looking for? It says file inside other homes. Nothing interesting over here. And back in my mind, I also know like which file is it, but I don't know where is it. Bits CTF. It's a bits Pilani CTF. Bits CTF. Well, we will be going there, so I'm not sure. Oh, team size. There are some key rules, maximum members 10, so I won't be able to perform anything alone. Valid contact information for the prices. Inappropriate behavior lead to disqualification. Administrator decisions are final. What we need over here? Oh, it's the sponsors. Oh, LetsDefend is sponsoring this. That's good. Burp bounty, I don't know, and I don't give a damn. Offensive security, which is for which we are trying to do a prep. And what do they say? It says first place. Can we stream this? I don't think so. Price is pretty much good. It should be enough to like get a two side up and down ticket of the plane. XYZ domains, I don't know this application. The next one is Burp Bounty and license. That's something new. Proving ground, practice access, which we already have, or they will give like some excessive permissions. This one is good. Altered voucher. LetsDefend I already have, so I don't need it. One IDA Pro subscription. What the hell is this? International Development Association. Do they have anything to do with the security? Okay, Institute of Defense Analysis. What the hell do they do? IDA Pro? I don't know what the hell is this. Burp bounty vulnerability scanner. That could be pretty good. stuff. Not bad. Oh, pretty good companies are using this. Orange. There is a Dell, there is a PwC, there is a Samsung, there is Adobe, there is a Accenture, Deloitte also. Burp Bounty, Burp. Okay, got it. I remember it now. This is something that put your burp suite on. What the hell do we say? What the hell that they do? The bodybuilders, like not the real bodybuilders, but the artificial bodybuilders do. What the hell do they do? Steroids. So this is pretty good extension for the burp suite. I remember it now. This will put your burp suite on the steroids. Yep, this is a pretty good stuff. We can give a shot. Drop it in the chat. Let's go and sign in to comment. No, I don't want to sign in. How I can public voting. This event future weight is subject of public voting. Current rating is this. Event organizer bits. I don't remember, so I need an email, which is going to be, give me it's a fake site, but it says ctftime.org. Wait, I didn't check. It is the same site. CTFs. Oh. Create. Check the third line. Oh, give me a sec. Back here. Official site. Oh, sorry, I didn't read the whole stuff here. Understood. And that's not actually a fake site. That must be some status related site where they might notify the people that they can participate in stuff. Okay, on the social media, let's register for the, yeah, right, it's something block type. Give me a sec. This is gonna be the username. And email. Give me a sec. Let me pull the email address, cause I have multiple emails. E-address over here. We gonna go with this one, I believe. No, not this one. This one. Yeah, masked explorer, that should do. And the password part, I'm not sure if it is good. Oh, give me a sec. Need to generate the password. Password, copy. Dang it. Never show to the public, but it has been shown and we cannot do anything about this. And oh, damn it. There we go. Okay, this has been added and join the team. This is the team name and that the team password should be same. No. That's a pretty damn strong password you have there. Yeah, I'm scared of you guys now. Xerox hunters. Those who don't study, they just do the Xerox of the exams and it says the already has reached the team size limit of this team. So sorry, I cannot join you. And because of me, don't try to kick anybody, those who has the potential and they would like to understand how something's working. Don't do that. Okay, back to the machine. We was looking for a file that can help us elevate the privilege. And for this, I can create a new team. Team name is gonna be the same as this. Password is gonna be there we go. This is going to be the new team. The password is on the screen. By the time it generates and says you are already in a team, you cannot join another, the team name is already taken. Who the hell took my team name? How can someone take my team name? It's a glitch. Okay, then that's a garbage. I don't know why should I participate in it, or maybe the team has already been created. Create again. Okay, I am the team captain. Good. Now if you want to join, the first thing you need to do is find the password, and the password is right there on the screen, so you have to find that. The challenge is baby crypto. I almost the most wanted this. And why do I feel that I have seen all these challenges somewhere before? I'm not good with the crypto. Let's go with the baby. Open this. Login. Let's try admin. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. We don't have the password. Password is disabled. That means there's something related to SQL. And this drops some stuff. And if I'll copy this, go to the base64 stuff. And okay, by the time it loads, let's go here. It says the JWT token, so it is something related to JWT token. Admin access denied. So we need to find a way to make it help us get into the system. Paste it here. It says the user role. We need to change the role here. Probably. It says if I'll try to access the admin access denied because the role is different. So if I will do the admin here, but it's not impacting here. So we need to go to the jwt.io, enter, and copy this whole stuff, paste it here. And if I will do the admin, and this has been broken. What the hell is wrong here? The payload is gone. We need some sort of private key here. It was this one, so we need something similar. And why I am getting distracted and delivering all of this over the internet. We'll do that later. First, let's deal with this. I don't want to get banned because of this. We'll solve this challenge later. Let me drop it into the Discord. Maybe some of my colleagues would like to join. Oh, there's... Join for challenge. Team and pass. Do 0xdtc slash this is gonna be the confirm. Something went wrong, no problem. Confirm. Again, something went wrong with the pop-up box. And the announcement seems to be made. If I will go here, go to this page and copy this all and drop it here. Send it. Publish it. Confirm. Again, something wrong with the pop-up box. There we go. Oh, welcome Alex. How are you doing? I cannot add you right away. I need to set up a Discord for the same purpose. So I will share it with only limited people. So I don't want to like create a server like every other server. So give me a day, because tomorrow is my day off. So I'll set up a server and keep your limited people. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I will. How should I reach you? How should I reach you? Drop. Can you drop your email, or like you can? Yeah, you can ping me over the Insta. Just type the Discord. So I'll remember that I have to send you the. You said the Insta and Nightbot served you. You have my Instagram. Give a follow and just ping me the message Discord, and I'll drop the link to you. Okay, I think we got a password for some reason, and that seems to be related to the node. If I will do the sudo -l, enter, paste, enter, will it work? Wrong password, cancel, su root, enter, paste it, enter. Is it the right password? Authentication failed. I mean, this is not right password. Fine, by the way. Have you done cat? Cat? What's that? Cat. Oh, the one that recently released. Oh, I see. No, I haven't done that yet. No, I haven't done that yet because I'm busy with this one. So like the primary focus is to pursue the OSCP stuff for now. So I'm putting everything aside, but if I'll get the time, I will try to solve it. Why not? That's why I tell you, help me with this stuff over the YouTube, and so that I can try to put my some time into these. So for that, I says give a like so it can reach to the others, and share with others. And if you're new here, drop a subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon and put the notification over the all so you can reach. I have pinged you on Insta. And the good thing is I have turned off the notification. So when I'll open the Insta, I'll try to set up the stuff for this tomorrow. And I'll give you the link. Many people over my Discord channel or the server, and it's not that active also. What was I looking for is not here, but if I will try to perform this, pipe grep double quote dot py, enter, and this, yeah, sure, go for it. Enjoy your time, take it easy. Where are we stuck right now? Node. So far we got the user Tom, execution mark, right? That's how we reach the user Tom. 30 seconds later, we got the shell and we went to the user Tom. Tom has something into the ID and it's a sudo that was highlighted in the very beginning and is the first to jump out, but trying to run sudo prompt Tom password, which we don't have. Like I said, we don't have the password. Then Adam means that I can access all the logs. That's worth checking out, but admin is more interesting. The group ID is above 1000, which means it's a group created by an admin instead of by the OS, which means it's custom. Looking for files that group. There's only one file and it's this backup. Dynamic analysis. Okay, so there's some token check is going on. Okay, so I'm not continuing with this cause this is relevant to the binary exploitation, and as I said, I'm not good with the binary exploitation right now, but what we have found so far, let's try to do that. There is okay. Now that I have read it, it was highlighting the sudo, but for that we need the Tom password, which we don't have. So we'll look for something else. Have you done the trick box? Trick. Let me check. I think I did started it. Trickster? This one you're talking about? I believe I have already, yes, I guess I have done it. Let me check in the end. No, it's not. See, I was writing a script that was related to the PentesterShop, but after that I didn't got the time, so I stopped right there. So only the portion of it I have done. Oh, trick. Let's find trick. Oh, there it is. I guess I have done it. I believe I have done it, but for some reason it seems either it's an incomplete or maybe it's complete. I didn't took the notes properly. Let me check. Trick. No, that means it's still pending. It's not done yet. We will do it someday because it's also part of the threat CCT INF. So we will try it. But for now, let's focus on the node. If I will do ID, I don't think we get the separation, or do we? Seems we do. This is a GUID and this is the user, which is a Tom, and it's a part of all of these groups. And he's a part of group Tom, he's a part of group Adam, part of CD-ROM, part of sudo, which we have already tried, but we don't have the password, so we cannot perform any action. And we can also check like which file has the permission for this group as mentioned into the write-up. Also, if we will go here in the root, here you will see that there is a group which they're looking for the admin. If we will copy this, and over here he has also identified the same thing, and this is a custom user. If it was a system made user, this might be having this kind of username. So this is a user created, custom created user, or the group. So we can check for this. And we have also identified, did you got the user on node? Yes, it was pretty easy, but it wasn't so easy at the same time. It was a bit tricky with the node, but before that it was pretty smooth. So it was a good sale. And guys, if you're watching, give a liking. I don't know why, but right now I'm feeling like maybe it's some sort of influence of some character that we look. And right now, after a long time, after a very long time, I have watched the season of Good Doctor, which is a reality show. It is a after a very long time, for after 6-7 years, I have watched the reality show, and for some reason I believe that this Dr. Sean Murphy is influencing me in some manner, and it's also impacting me the way I am talking. I don't know why, but it is. And the series isn't even finished yet. I have only watched the 9 or 10 episodes, but it's influencing for some reason. I don't know. It seems I have something relevant to the brain damage. Okay. There is a custom group. Is the box about to be complete? It is about to be complete, but to complete it, we need to work around with the buffer overflow. So as I said, I don't know much related to the buffer overflow, so that's why I'm not performing that. Once I'll understand how the buffer overflow stuff works, what sort of function it needs, what sort of techniques are there, then we will continue with this. Till then, I'll put the mark side of this box so we can refer back to this and we know that which box we need to work afterwards. So this will stay for the root part, but before that root we have already got the stuff till now. For the authority, I believe I have started it, or maybe it has already been done. Let's see. Okay, you demanded it, we can give a shot, but again it's not a part of what we are doing. I can try to create a dedicated time for this. Give me a sec. I'll check the authority. It seems to be a Windows based machine. Yes, it's a Windows based because it's running the Microsoft service. There's some Kerberos, there's a LDAP going on, there is so much going on. We are on a part of where we are trying to access the user to get a foothold, and yes, we can do it, but would you like if I will do it tomorrow? If there isn't any problem, and we will be able to do it in the morning without any problem. So I'll schedule another stream for the authority itself so we can solve it then, if you don't mind. Custom group created with the name admin and ID is equal to 1002. Let's find the files related to this group. Thank you, sir. I will keep that in mind and I'll try to schedule it for tomorrow. And this was a command. If I will put it here, this should give us the file. And we have found one file, name backup. Let's cat it. Oh. It is throwing some sort of encoded backup in below. And is this a base 64 that is trying to work around? Encode backup is below. And it seems it's a same backup file that we just decoded, and this is the magic word. It's the password of the file. Okay, let's check what the heck is going on here. Cyber Chef. No. We will copy this, paste it here, And I guess we can remove these two, or maybe these till here. From base 64. It's a zip file. Got it. Strict mode. Not gonna help. Okay, so it's saying it's a zip file base 64. So this not gonna help. Back here. So we will clear it. Strings. And we're gonna copy the file name from not here but here. Valid access token. You didn't say the magic word. Ouch. The magic word. What is it working on? Okay. Clear it. Cat this file again. And we gonna keep it into our stuff, and for some reason, okay, it's still here. Copy this, paste some unwanted spaces, unwanted indentations, and it's so many. Okay. Oh, this is so much crap. How long is it? Damn. Let's just do something like this. Go till here. Where? Yeah, till here. And we gonna say snip, and again copy this, snip, and get down here till here, and this. We got some broken execution of the file. It seems it needs some sort of input as an argument. So let's clear it. And it seems to be an executable. Paste. No. Clear. If I'll just paste and enter, will it execute? It didn't. So we will be doing in this. / backup, enter. Okay. File backup. This is an executable file. It's an executable file. From here, I believe it's about buffer overflow. Binary exploitation. Oh, we don't have any of these, so I'll create a backlink here. / binary exploitation, which I will complete after the understanding of these topics. Till then, it's on pause. There we go. Oh, no. This should remain pinned, and okay, it seems to be a mess up here because this is not the box name. What we're gonna do, we'll just cut it, not the whole part. Okay, get here, paste it. Oh, okay, it seems we messed up. We need to open it here, and now we will undo the changes, I guess. Paste and remove it. Go here and remove this. Now this should match pretty good, and same we're gonna put here for the node. incomplete binary exploitation. So we have two boxes on which we will come back and complete them. So ouch. So far we have two boxes which needed a completion. Now we will go to the poison, and we are starting it today. We'll go to labs. Over here we're gonna close everything else other than this bits Pilani, and this is gonna be marked. And here, let me ask. So we'll kill the process and kill the shell. Okay, it seems it's dead for some reason. Okay, we can close it then. Get back into the machine. Go here. Copy the poison. Paste it here. Wait for its appearance. We'll vent in, and it's a FreeBSD box. Not a Linux box, but still. It is what it is. It's a medium. We have OSCP tag, which we didn't put in our previous boxes, so we will do that. Creation today, it's under the live machine URL. Copy this, start the machine, enter. We don't have the IP address for now, so we will do it poison.hdb. Copy this DNS entry. We will put it here and here too, with the here too. Over here it's gonna be hdb fof scan. So we have the comparison or stuff that we need to segregate, and we will filter out the stuff that we don't need, which is ASP, GSP, CGI, Perl can be there, PHP and PY can be there, Ruby, SS.sh, this we don't need till here. We don't need it till here. We need GS, CSS, H. We don't need, okay, we don't need. Clear this. JSON can stay there. Zip, config, conf, and back. I don't think Ruby and SH gonna do anything there, so we can clean them. .js, CSS, HTML we didn't put the last time, so not this time too. .js can contain some stuff, but not sure. Okay, let's go with these simple extensions without mushing it much. Copy, got the IP address, paste it here, and we're gonna add it into the SC host. So we're gonna sudo manage host, enter, add new host. We have the IP address here, enter, and the host is gonna be this, enter, cancel this, Copy, paste, clear. Now copy this, paste it here. Oh, not here. We will go to the CD over here, mkdir poison, cd poison, clear, and paste it here, enter. Let's copy this and we can update it here. Good. Again, the same ports, 80 and 22. So it is gonna be a web application, and we're gonna try get the RC from there. Okay, not a problem. It's gonna take a good amount of time. And you guys keep dropping the likes if you're liking it. Not today, maybe eventually tomorrow or some other day. Who knows? Got 2 emails. This one is garbage, but this one might be needed. %. That's weird. Does it have more ports open? Don't know. Mm-hmm. %. How you're doing, guys, in the chat? Having a great time? Or getting bored because of me? Thank yous, but sorry. %. 70%. I don't think we will be getting any other port. Let's start from here then. We have port 82 to start with. Let's start the FUF scan and serve the website alongside so the recon will be done in the background while we take a look towards website. Copy this, get here, and let it finish. Did we got anything good today to watch? Yep, there is one anime we can watch. Not bad. In 1 more minute, we should get our results. I hope it's a maximum, not a minimum. Oh, it's a minimum rate. Got it. Of 1000. Yo guys, drop a like, don't be selfish, and subscribe if you're new here watching. This is a slow process people don't usually like to enjoy, but in future I might start calling people together. We might be start solving the boxes, so it's all in future, not right now, because I'm waiting for the milestone to complete for the YouTube. Okay, we got the scans finished. Initiating the OS detection. Retrying the OS detection. Okay, it won't be able to because it's not Linux or Windows. It's some BSD, free BSD. I think I know this, but for some reason I'm not able to recall this. It's a Unix-based operating system. It can be a server, it can be a desktop, it can be an embedded platform, it can be a website, yada yada. Okay, we got the output. And it's running the Apache server. I was expecting that much though. Not. And the PHP version is pretty old. We might be able to fetch something from there though. But for now, let's go the intended way. We need to perform the brute force of the directory here. And I just randomly put it the 1000 here, which will... Oh, sorry. -t should be 1000. My bad, I thought it's a filter. So let's run it back. This time we'll add the filter if there is gonna be... Okay, we got the browser.php, index.php, info.php. This output seems pretty clean, and it's been after pretty long that we are getting this clean output from somewhere. We have 11. No, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11,2730 combinations. And because of this, if it found some sort of another endpoint that is redirecting or code redirection, like a subdirectory, it is gonna be a problem then, because I'm not into this long of journey. What I'm gonna do, sorry for this, I'm gonna eliminate .json from here. .txt.md will stay. Enter. This seems to have killed pretty damn big margin here. Now we have 8,82,184 combination that it need to check. But still, if it went for the subdirectories, then it's gonna be a problem. By the time it's doing this, we will look towards this web application because that's what we have mentioned in the note. So let's go. It's disabled and gonna take its time. By the time my CPU is picking up, this is not good. Do you think that this is the only stuff we'll be getting from here? Or it is more of the PHP exploitation itself that it's giving the version of, what's it? 5.6.32. That's the weird part here, right? During the live, people don't participate in the chat. Give something we might be able to connect from there. I think these are the only one we will be seeing. And the request rate is pretty low. 700 request. Nearly 800, but still pretty low. Average is going the 780 or 782 around. We have sufficient threads. I think this is how far it should be going. So for now, let's just pick it up from here and drop it here. If it will found something else, then we will add that too. Remove this. But before that, let's go here, and it seems we got temporary website to test. Local.php scripts. Okay. Something good. It seems to be a local temp testing website where we can try triggering the PHP code, PHP scripts. Love the stream, man. I love you too, brother. I hardly get these kind of people. The one who loves. So have you stopped smoking now? What will happen if I'll do info, submit, and it says it was unable to find anything. Let's go back. If I will do, oh, it need .php with that. Submit it. Loading. How are you doing? Okay. It took some good amount of time. But I didn't ask for this. It's saying the root at the rate whatever this is, and it seems to be some sort of command execution, or like it's an ID. It's an ID output, right? Let's try test the info.php and see what the result will be. It seems like ID output. Damn. ID output of what? Linux? But it's not. So we also can see, we can no, we also see that there is a parameter in the URL with the name file. Let's try and see if we can perform the LFI here. Oh, there was something with the LFI here. LFI with the PHP info. Okay, this is a different matter. And see what we'll get then. If it worked, we'll use the curl then. And if we'll look for /etc/password, enter, we got an error. Do 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 do. View page source, and damn, it actually worked. Okay, wasn't expected. It actually worked. There is LFI. Uh, LFI tempt local file inclusion, but it worked. And we got some stuff. Let's see if what other sensitive file we can read. This means we can use the curl now. Oh, we got the php info.php. Nice. If I will do curl, paste this, and this time we will do shadow and put this into the single quote, and over here the single quote, enter. Will it be able to read that? Done. Okay, it has thrown the error for inclusion. Failed to open stream. No such file or directory in user local web apache data browser.php. Okay, but if I will check etc hosts, do we have any other hosts mentioned here of which we might need to get the access? For that, we're making an attempt. And it seems we have some stuff here, but only the local and or the local host. So we do not need anything else. According to the RF this, you can use the following IPs for the private net, but it's commented, so it's not in use or in any action. So cleared this. Yo, kids in the chat, what other sensitive file we can look over the Linux? Tell me. Chrome tab, but that should be in different file. It should be into, oh, let's see if we can access the user Charles etc/password word pipe grep. We're gonna grep for the user, which has, okay, it's the different stuff, so this should has the CSH. Okay, connection failed. Why is that? It's working right here, correct? Okay, now it worked. It is taking good amount of time though. Okay, let's just do it here then. And this time we will do for the shadows or the shadow file. Although I'm pretty sure it won't show anything. But what are the chances that it will show? Okay, it didn't. Again, the same stuff. Because of the include function, whatever is set into the include, it will trigger. Tried reading the etc/shadows or the shadow, but got an error. Here we found that it's using the include function, which gives the user the power to run /execute any file mentioned in this function parameter. We need to check if we can somehow damn my ears, find any sensitive file. That might help us hit the jackpot. And for some reason, here's another thing that just bumped into my brain. You remember there was, yo James, what's up? It was good, not too good, but it was good. So here's what come into my mind now. You remember there was another box that we was trying to solve with the technique using the LFI, and what the hell was that? LFI PHP info assistance exploitation. So I believe this is a technique that we are gonna use here. For some reason it didn't work there, but it might work here. And the problem also was that it wasn't able to run the script that I was writing, so I will try to write it back tomorrow. Cause around the after 2.5 hours I'll be leaving, because it will be 12 a.m. here and I'll be leaving then. So we'll remove this, and what we can try here. Can we make it /bin/bash? Will it trigger that? No such file. What's in this file itself? Let's read this. What do you have to offer? And it says allowed memory size is this, byte exhausted, and this. Okay, that means, can we read it this way? Okay, / maybe. /. Dang it. Help me read the file, damn it. Copy this. Paste it here. /enter. Same stuff. Enter. Same stuff. Enter. Enter. Okay. Everything vanished. What else we can check? What else we can check for the sensitive stuff? Okay, let's check which box we was working on when we tried that exploitation. It wasn't the solid-state. I think it was Nenhive. This one, the type juggling part. Yeah, this is the one where we was trying to perform that weird attack. This one. Yep, the same stuff, execution, and we tried the GitHub info, and this is the one. Insomnia was having a researcher which says LFI with PHP info assistance. Not get the jackpot, but hit the jackpot. Okay, let's say we got the output of the process. Yes, we got it. So we will copy this and go here, press enter, put it here. And LFI attempt. This is way too much in, so we will pull it out a bit. Okay, it's not a part of recon, so over here. Okay, this is good. But it seems this need a separation too. For some reason it's not that good with the separations right now. Okay, no problem. We are around the LFI attempt, so... And we also have the finished result of the hashtag of scan. Let's check those endpoints too. So if we'll go all the way up over here, info.php, we shouldn't be reading it from here. That means we need to put it here. Enter. Okay. Browser.php, we already know how it is looking. Well, that's where we are. Okay. Just a common error file. And php will work. Okay, we got an array file. Damn. Allow URL open into array1. It is enabled. Local value enabled. Access enabled. Allow URL include 000. So this is disabled. That means we can include the URL here. We using fopen, but we cannot use the URL include here, which I believe will sort out here. Good. Anything that URL include, URL fopen. I think this is the only one we need a true to trigger the LFI and PHP exploit. Can we also run the PHP exploit here? Haven't tried that yet, right? So let's clear it. We will do what we'll do. Netcat this. Go here to the reverse shell. And if we will go to the PHP Pentester monkey, we don't need that. This one may work. Yeah, this will URL encode it. Copy this. Go here and put it in here. Delete everything, paste it, enter, and let's see, we got an error. Nice. Include PHP or whatever afterwards. It didn't work. Not URL encode. F proc open. I'm not sure if this will work. Paste, enter. Another error. CMD. This is way too big. What about this? Paste, enter. No. Small one. At least make it work. Okay, nothing is working. Oof. Cancel this. Close this. What's the other file that we was about to look? Index.php. I think index one is the same one that where it's telling us to add the file that we want to execute. Pretty cute. List file.php. This is not there. Okay, it's the same thing. It's just an array of stuff. Browser. Oh, we have password backup.txt here. Is this a separate file? What the hell? Index.php. Here I found this good looking file. Here on the index.php page, I found or just saw another interesting file, which is list files.php. When I went to this endpoint, it gave me output, or it not gave me an input. When I went to this endpoint, it rendered this page and gave the another endpoint which is not mentioned anywhere. And the endpoint is pwd backup.txt. Okay, it's zoomed enough so we can capture it. Oh, sorry, my bad. Highlight this, copy, and when I visited this endpoint, it give me an encoded string like 13 times encoded string of base 64. Encoded string of base 64. Thirteen times. And we're gonna put it here. It's base 64. Okay, there isn't any s like this. Okay. Let's give it to the cyber chef and get the result from there. And we need this screenshot of this, else it will be weird. Okay, so we need to copy it till here, or we can remove this. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's a capital V. I guess we can give a backspace and enter. Good one, and copy this all. Go to the cyber chef. Even cyber chef will gonna cry here. Okay, is it because of this? Or maybe because of this? Yep. Da, 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 da. From key padding. There we go. We could have used the loop over the command. For loop 13 times. But who needs that, right? If I will remove this, doesn't make any impact. And we got this. Charles Babbage. It's Charles. Baggage. Charles Baggage. Mathematician, philosopher, and one of the person who started the computer. Or we call him the father of computer. I don't know how he was that manly, but whatever. Remove non-alphabetic. Oh, we need everything here. Let's try use that to log in on the user. What was the user we got up here? Charix? And we got one user 2. His name is CHARIX. Well, this wasn't bad. This wasn't bad. Pretty good. This is a user. On the SSH. And I guess it might work. Foothold will go here. Okay, let's one step back and SSH to Charix. Go here. SSH. We don't want node. It's gonna be the poison.htp. And the user is CHARIX. Charix. And we can collapse this terminal. Enter, cancel, clear, so we can check everything clearly. Yes, and it should ask for the password. And I feel there is gonna be the same vertical privilege escalation that we might need to perform to get into the user. Okay, pretty good. It's asking for the password. Copy this, paste it here, press enter. We are in. We are damn in. Sorry, my bad. I know speaker got bursting, but sorry, my bad. Excitement. Can not be established, and we are in the user. Boom. So we will create the table. Remove one line, another line. It's gonna be username. Password. Password is this. And we are successfully in. The user Charix. This was easy. Just not sure if we have to perform vertical risk. Oh, wrong spelling. Risk. Oh, shish. Bold. Let's see further. And I hope it's not again the Damn, forgetting the term. Binary exploitation, because I won't be able to do that. Okay, let's see the ls. Do we have the user? Yes, we have the user.txt cat. Whoa. Okay, we cannot go up and down. This is a broken shell. That means cat user.txt, not redx, rtx txt, enter. I love you, Charles. You're the first person who didn't make it tough for me. Maybe the second, or maybe the third, or maybe the fourth. I'm not sure. Sorry, but you're one of them. I hope you didn't suffer much. And we gonna provide it over here. Over here. How many ports do we have? We have 2 ports. 2 ports. And what's the relative path of PHP that includes other files? It's I don't know. Give me a sec. I didn't read your message. Just give me a second and I'll read it. Huh? What does it mean? Was a PHP that seems to include other files. This is the one. What is the relative path of a PHP script that seems to include other files? This is the right one. Okay, you says you can do it, just haven't learned the steps yet. There's always something interesting going on. I could have used the for the base 64, I could use the for loop to make it crack faster for me, but I used the noob way, which is using the what the hell, Cyberchef. And the other thing is, what I mistaken here was sometimes there is information on your face. It's like written on your face and you don't see that information, right? And same happened with me. It was right on my face and I went to the brute forcing the subdirectories because I'm more confident over that, and I missed it. Because of that, when I come back and I just saw that there is something interesting listing over here, list files. I went in and I found this. It's in the part of the array. First one is empty because it's calling the same directory. Over here it is going one directory back, and because of that we can say that there is the LFI going on. Next we have the browser.php, which is already triggering this file because it has a function to program run that. Index.php file, which is actually giving us the file that where we can look. Info.php file was containing some weird error kind of stuff, or maybe some like local information, which wasn't more of a helpful. This one was containing another list of array that was telling us which service has which, how many characters in there and what their boolean variables is. List.php file, this is telling us about this one. How many arrays are there? There are 7 arrays. I believe it's not counting this for some reason. I don't know. I'm just going mad over here. And the PHP info didn't check that. I was about to check that, but because of this, I went here. So that's how I got the password, and that's how we get into this user. Okay. What is the relative path of a PHP script that seems to include other files? Is it from this error that we are talking about? Include path. Is it talking about this? Let's try /etc/ whatever, because it's gonna give the same error, right? And this one, or this one, or it's just a browser.php. Who knows? It's not looking for a full path. I guess it just wants the browser.php. Okay, no. You want the whole path like this? Naughty, naughty. You want this? Okay, you don't even want this. What the hell do you want then? What I'm missing? There is a list of options on the main site. Enter one and see what the form leads. Which one are we missing? Info.php or PHP info? I don't think. This one? This one? This will be bad if it is this one. Like, I just gave it and it's not accepting that. What the hell? See? What's wrong I am doing here? It was a piece of cake. Piece of cake. Was the password user declared? It's poison. I'm just poisoning the people here. Those who don't chat or put their opinion or don't participate in the conversation. I'm poisoning them with this box. They deserve it. Don't they? Clear. Sudo -l enter. Let's say sudo not found cause it's not a stable shell going on. Okay, let's try this. There was a way to bypass the restricted shell. It wasn't in the Hive, it was in the solid state, I believe. That's where it was talking about. Mandy. Yep, it's this. Let's. Okay, we need to try this then, cause it don't have what we are looking for, and the shell it has is a different one. Poison. It's something weird looking shell that it has. It mentioned, oh, it's a CSH. So we will exit from here. Go here and go here. This is a CSH, right? Yeah, this is the one. Press enter. Go all the way down to the privilege escalation or over here. Copy this user password. Oof. And once it will create the connection, we will paste it. Okay, it created the connection, paste it here, enter, and finger cross it don't break. Okay, we got a successful shell. And if I will do sudo hyphen l, okay, sudo not found. Because it's a different operating system, maybe it don't have the sudo. Could be a reason. If I'll do id, we are normal people. Clear. All we have this secret.zip file. To crack it, we can use the same technique. But let's try -lsla. We have history login, and the history in here is not sent into the null. So let's cat. Okay, the size is 0, so it doesn't make sense to read that. If you see over here, the size is 0. Good call, whoever did it. Mail alias. This is also file. Copy, cat, paste, enter. What is this? What is this garbage? Okay, it has the alias cp4 copy IP mv move rm remove. Weird looking aliases. Our host cat. Okay, let's see. Can we cat the etc/shadow now? Wrong. Cat /etc/shadow. Enter. No such file or directory. That's weird. We will clear it. We can dump it over the local. Enter. Clear. Split it. As we can see, there is a file in this in the home directory. There is a secret.zip file in the home directory, of which we need to brute force, of which we need the password. I guess we can dump it on our local. And crack it using the John 2-zip. And I guess we need to go here and fix the names. John 2-zip, Jip to John, or whatever. This need a proper fixed name. Okay. Now if I'll go here, put it, enter. Now this will make more sense, and I don't know why the Obsidian is not fixing this. It will look like this if we are in the read mode, but if you're not, it will look like this. Weird. Should we convert it into the base 64? Base 64 of secrets. Does the file enter? There is no command found. Lovely. It's making tougher and tougher for us to work around with this. Okay, I think we need to use, for this we can use the netcat this, and we're gonna put it into the secret.zip, enter, and over here we gonna how do we transfer the zip file over the netcat? If I will do cat, that will break the whole file, right? And go here, reverse shell, remove this, all the way bash up, and we're gonna copy this till here and paste it, finger cross it, transfer the file, and it didn't. Why it didn't? Reason is paste, we're gonna transfer it over here. So now ambitious output redirects. Secret.zip. CSH not found. CSH, I think we are already in that, so okay, go back, clear. Damn it, I'm typing slow and it's still making the mistakes. Yo guys, can you copy it to the public web directory? That can be a way, but I'm trying to look for a way if we can. That was my last resort if I wasn't able to perform it using the netcat and base 64. And yes, I think we can. If you see, there is something going on with the aliases over here. ls, okay, it's not showing everything right now. Cancel, collapse, ls-la. There's some messed up stuff going on with the aliases over here. Cat, paste, enter. See? Okay, it's some useful alias. H, enter. J, but they're not working. Double L, What's the use of -I? MV -H pipe grep I, enter. Source target. Let me check here. TLDR. Never used the -I, so I don't know. What's its use? Interactive? Regardless. Okay. Collapse it. Let's see. We'll try your technique, James. Which was about to do it, but you said it first. Don't do it like this, bro. I hope no one is listening. Okay. Clear? We have the web path, so we will do ls-var dub. It should be there. Is it? No. It's not there. Account log. We have DB here. What's in the DB? Port services, zone info, FreeBSD update, locate database, Hyper-V. Okay. We need to go to the root. ls. We have the copyright, we have dev, we have temp, rescue. But we are looking for the dub one. Oh, sorry. It's was a path. We got that path into the error. It's user local dub. Okay. We have it now. So CD clear. It's not Siri. I'm saying CD. Stop it. Okay, it's back to the normal. If we go do the C copy instead of move. Which file? Secrets. Destination is going to be user local dub Apache data. I hope there are more endpoints. Oh, they should do. Enter. Permission denied. Holy moly. MV. Paste, enter. Huh? ls. Copy, paste, enter. There isn't any zip here. Oh, it's telling us to give it a name there, right? I hope that's the game here. Secret.zip, enter. Rename secret.zip to the permission denied. Okay, so we cannot use both of these actions. Do we have the Python here? Enter. Okay, we have the GCC. We can use the OS library here, but we're not gonna do that. That's a tedious process. What we can try to get a proper shell here by quit. Okay, clear this, close the packet and copy this one. I hope it is okay. Will it work or it gonna kill the shell? This don't have the bin bash, so that's the reason why it wasn't able to do any action. Think about anything else, brother. We are not able to. We have the power of LFI though. Let's try if we can pull the file from there using the LFI, because he was able to read the pwd backup.txt. So if we will do slash user, no, it's slash home slash cancel brother, cancel. Okay, this shell is dead. Rest in peace. Churks or whatever it is. Paste it. Copy this. Go here. Paste. Press enter. Help us download the file. Damn it. Include. Do we have a but that won't do. That won't do. That won't do. Okay, this shell is dead. It can rest in peace. Okay. Close it. Open it back. Okay, I think it's same thing, but this time bash. I'm not sure if it'll run. I'm just giving it a shot. If it worked, it worked. If it didn't work, it didn't work. Who cares? Who cares? Do you care? Give it already, bro. Paste, enter. Bash command not found. What about sh? I hope you have this. I'm not sure if I have any way to move stuff from here. Paste, enter. It's gonna give the same. No. It has the sh. ls. Can I perform the move action now? Okay, we don't have the permission. That's the problem here, right? Even if we'll change the shell, that won't change the reality that we don't have the permission to move stuff. But who knows? We don't have the base 64. The other encoding won't do justice. What can we do? Let's see. AUX dub enter. What is it running? Okay, we are running it in the back or sh. Z shell is running here. Cron job, kernel, etc. VM2 doesn't need that. SSHD, send mail. Do we need to look around in the system that if we can find some sort of password there? Do we? Waiting for the comment. Let's see if someone can pull it out. We need to move the file in any manner. We don't have 3 of the options. So we're looking for any other way if we can encode or perform decode or like any other stuff that can help us create the reverse connection or help us in any other manner which can trigger the action of copy paste or something. Or is there any other way to read the file password? We cannot do that. Or any other way we can execute the command. Let's see what other services it's running. SS, we will check the sockets, and it was -tln. Enter. bin sh not found. What should we do then? Any other way to read these, like what sort of ports are running? I think it was netstat. We can use that also, right? Let me check. What was a netstat command? I'm not sure even if we have it here. Yeah, we don't have it here. It should be in somewhere here. Netstat jet and hi, we don't use that there. Oh, we did use that in there. Monitored, maybe. Oh, there is a netstat, but we need the okay, not here then. In here. Oh, wrong place. Oh, this is the one. Let's try if we can get anything. Okay. Wow. We need the interfaces. We need protocols. Course family system. And let's see what, okay. It's unknown. Ouch. Okay, this worked. We can use the netstart also to look for the ports and services that it's running, or building the connection at least. I don't think we have the SCP also. Oh, we have the SCP. Thanks for a reminder, I totally forgot that. And the thing is, I don't remember how we use the SCP. Okay, there we have it, SCP. Copy normally in system to folder. SCP did copy to SSH server with the key. No, we don't want to copy to the SSH server. We want to copy it from the server to local. Copy HTML file from server to the local temp. Yeah, this is what we want. We don't want to perform the recursive, so we will copy this, paste it here, and go here. Remove till here. I hope we don't have to provide the whole path. So we will just do secrets. Don't tell me we are in another directory right now. No, we are not. So we will paste. Oh. Cannot use control with it for the fast travel. Ouch. Server colon paste. We need to remove the sudo from here. I hope it don't mess with us. It needs some sort of destination to dump the file. Is it working? cd/temp ls. Okay, so much garbage. rm-rf asterisk. Enter. Yes. Cannot remove the files. Understood. There is neo4j that need to be there. I think it's dead again. Okay, back. SCP, enter. This one is also not working. Should I upload the lint piece and try to use that and see if we can work on with that? SSH password cp this user devnull user destination @this. I guess. Copy to the SSH server. Copy from the SSH server. We need that. Copy from SSH server with password. Okay, we will be using this, I believe, then. If we'll go here. Yes, yes, yes. But we don't have any SSH running over there, so we will go with this. Over here we have this crisp, whatever the name of this user this destination. We don't need a destination, we need the source. poison.htp, and it's gonna take us to the root itself, so we will still provide it the whole path /home /charix /secret.zip, and it's throwing it here, but we don't want it here on the desktop. We want it to be in temp. It's performing some sort of recursive action, but okay, we don't have it. No problem. Install it then. Going numbrain hurts sometime. Enter, and it says no such file. I don't think this has the same thing here. Or do we? Yep, we don't have the SSH pass. So this is waste. No such file or directory. Jetpo copy. We cannot use it without the username and password. User destination at what time it is. Oh damn, it's already 12:30. Sorry guys, I have to leave. It's 12:30. I totally forgot that it's time to leave. So I'm really sorry that I'm taking this much time, but tomorrow we will complete it. It was pretty easy till the user flag, but now the privilege escalation, it seems a bit tricky, but no problem, we'll solve it tomorrow. And it's already late, so with that said, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you're doing great. And if you're in my zone, have a great rest of your night. If you're in another one where it's a day, have a great rest of your day and enjoy it to your fullest. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. Like the stream. If you're watching any other video of mine, like that too. That motivates. And share with others, those who can join, sit here and learn side by side, or teach side by side. It's both way transaction, not a single way transaction. So with that said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy your time. Bye bye.